Welcome to Mind Unlimited Quiz. Today's puzzle is a little story. Listen carefully and tell me, who is the fool? All of them are traveling together. The boy is holding a floating balloon. The man is struggling with the fast-moving window. The woman has opened her umbrella inside the train, and the girl is just reading quietly. But one of them looks really foolish. Can you guess who? Who is the fool? You have 10 seconds. The fool is the woman with the open umbrella, because there's no rain inside the train. Did you find the answer? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more story puzzles.